The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Missile attacks launched at the concentration areas of the 92nd and the 14th Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, deployed near Sinkovka and Petropavlovka in Kharkov region at Kupiansk direction, have resulted in the elimination of over 100 Ukrainian servicemen and 12 units of military equipment. Attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces at Ukrainian units deployed near Yampolovka in Donetsk People's Republic at Krasny Liman direction have resulted in the elimination of over 200 Ukrainian servicemen, wounding 320, destroying 10 tanks and 25 infantry combat vehicles. Kiev regime made an attempt to launch an offensive towards Nikolaev, Andreevka and Kryvyi Rog simultaneously at Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction. The most intense offensive action of up to 6 Ukrainian battalions, including 2 armored ones, had been conducted towards Davidov Brod. At the same time, 2 reinforced Ukrainian battalion tactical groups had been carrying out an offensive towards the positions of the Russian troops near Bruskinskoye and Kostromka. The stubborn defense and massive fire attacks launched by Russian troops have resulted in frustrating enemy's offensive at the above-mentioned area. 31 tanks, 78 units of special equipment and over 240 Ukrainian servicemen have been eliminated. Over the past 24 hours of intense operations at Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, Russian troops have eliminated 43 Ukrainian tanks, 89 units of other military equipment, and over 400 Ukrainian servicemen. According to the revised data, high-precision missile attack launched by Russian aerospace forces on September 29 at the building of the Directorate of the Security Service of Ukraine in Dnepropetrovsk has resulted in the elimination of over 35 personnel, including foreign advisors. About 40 personnel of the Security Service of Ukraine are reported missing. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 51 artillery units at their firing positions, as well as 178 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. The list of neutralized targets includes the command post of a battalion from the 46th Air Mobile Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Belaya Krynytsa in Kherson region, provisional bases of the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade near Arkhangelskoye in Kherson region, the 14th Mechanized Brigade near Dvorechная and Kutkovka in Kharkov region, as well as training base of the 9th Regiment of the National Guard of Ukraine in Zaporozhye. 7 missile artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Sadovod in Kharkov region, Kalinovka in Nikolaev region, Zaleznichnoye, Rovnopolye and Obsheye in Zaporozhye region, Kramatorsk and Volnaya Pole in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 guidance radar of S-300 air defense missile system has been destroyed near Novaya Kaluga in Kherson region. Air defense facilities have shut down 8 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Olginka, Novopetrikovka, Kirillovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Sadok, Borozenskoye, Staritsa, Shevchenkovka and Osokorovka in Kherson region. 22 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS multiple launch rocket system have been destroyed in the air near Novaya Kakhovka, Berislav, Vesoloye and Brylovka in Kherson region. Moreover, 1 .U ballistic missile has been shot down over Brylovka in Kherson region. In total, 310 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,134 unmanned aerial vehicles, 378 air defense missile systems, 5,281 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 858 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,443 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,126 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.